Hey everyone, Dr. Sonika this side and you are watching Healthful Ayurveda and Panchkarma. I got some queries and I'm going to answer those queries. The first query is, can healthy person take the Panchkarma therapies? Yes, definitely. Healthy person can take Panchkarma therapies, as the main aim of Ayurveda is to maintain the health of the healthy one and curing the disease of diseased one. So definitely there are some therapies you can take in take their benefit at home also, like Pratimarshanasya. The Pratimarshanasya is a therapy in that 2 drops of a medicated oil you have to instill into your nose, that you can then either after taking bath or before going to bed, and they are really going to help to balance Vata dosha. One thing, they really nourish all the organs, especially eyes, your nose, tongue, ears and brain, all the organs which is situated above the clavicle. So you can put 2 drops every day into your nose. That is just one therapy, Nasyam, the micro Nasyam, Pratimarsha Nasyam. Every day you can do that. So a healthy person can do that. There are some other therapies also, like in Ayurveda it says Abhyangam Nityam Achrit, means you should do Abhyangam every day if you're really looking for a great and healthy life. And it was in practice in ancient India, but now maybe we are very busy and we are not doing that. But if we start doing that, if we start finding some little time to just do the oil massage just for 15 minutes in a body before going to bath, then it's definitely going to add value into your health and boosting up your immunity also. The second question is, and the one more thing I wanted to add in this query, that see, in Ayurveda it is explained 6 season is there, 6 ritus, and in every season the aggravation of particular dosha is explained. For example, in spring season there is an aggravation of kapha dosha. So in that season, if anybody is going for Vasantik Vaman, we say the Vaman therapy, the first therapy in Panchkarma, then they really can protect their body for the whole year from any problem which is going to come from the vitiation of that particular dosha, the kapha. Like that, in rainy season it is advised that you should go for the Vasti therapy, medicated enema, and which is really going to balance Vata dosha. And in October, in Shard Ritu, you can go for a Virechan therapy, which really going to balance your Pitta dosha. So like that, in every season, when season is changing, you can take the benefit of Panchkarma therapies, and that is for healthy person. This is not for the diseased person, so you can protect yourself. The second question is, can Panchkarma therapy performed in periods? No, we cannot do these therapies during the periods. We have to stop it immediately, and once it finished, we can restart it again. Another question is, are these therapies are painful? No, these therapies are not really painful, but some therapies are really very intense. They need your whole involvement. Like you have to give your time, you have to give a couple of days, you have to spare a couple of days from your schedule, and then only you should go for these therapies. Because see, when you are looking for some kind of balance in your body, it doesn't happen in over a day, or it doesn't happen like you are doing your work also, your mind is there and your body is in Panchkarma place. So Panchkarma need your whole body. Whole means your body, your mind, your all the senses should be there. Then only the holistic balance you can expect or think of. So yeah, these are the therapies which are really very intense and they need your involvement. And I can't say they are really painful. They are not. There is another question. Panchkarma therapies helps in immunity boosting. Yes, they really helps, because see, this is a process. It's not like I'm giving you one therapy and your immunity is going to in that level. It doesn't work like that. In process, Panchkarma helps to create balance in body. It really approach toward your balance. When there is a balance in your mind, in your body, in your senses, your immunity automatically will be going to be fine, right? It's going to be get stable and best. It's going to do best for you. So that is how, because in every season or in your day routine, if you introduce these therapies, they really create balance, and as a result they are going to work on your immunity. So these are the answers of your these 4 queries. I hope it's helpful, and if any other queries is there related to Panchkarma, then please write. I'm going to answer. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much, and thank you for giving me this query so I could answer your question. Take care. Bye bye.